Shopify is finally here for RightBlogger. That means you can automate your blog on your Shopify store with RightBlogger with one click. So in this video, I'm going to dive in how to set it up and how it works. Let's jump in. So you can see here, I'm on the Shopify page on RightBlogger and I'm already logged into my account. So let's go head over to the dashboard here. Now, I already have a project set up. If you don't have a project set up, you can just go over to the top here and hit add project. But I'm going to go over to my settings. So hit the settings button here. And you can see here, this is my project settings. So I'm going to head over to integrations and hit add integration. And here you can see all of our integrations, but we're going to do Shopify. Now, once you pick Shopify, you can see connect Shopify store. I'm going to click that and it's going to actually add it as an app into my store. So I'm going to hit install and you can see here, it's going to edit our blog and you can see instantly connected. Now we have a few options. If you have an advanced Shopify store setup, you can pick what the blog is. So that's more of a Shopify option. Additionally, you can set the default author name. And we have a few other options here like publish automatically. That'll set it as a draft or not. So once you get confident with RightBlogger, you can actually turn that on. Additionally, we have automatic generated feature images and excerpts. So I'm going to turn both of those on. So hit save. Now let's actually send an article to our Shopify store. So I'm going to go back over to my dashboard. I already have an article here set up. So let's go over to that. And if we scroll down here, you can see it's an article about apartment living. So on the bottom here, we can hit send to, and you can see here, now we finally have the option to send to our Shopify store. So let's hit send here. So you can see it's sending to our Shopify store. And this should just take us a couple seconds here and boom, just like that, send it over to our store with a featured image. We have our title, our formatting, links, other things like that, built-in images, all generated with RightBlogger. And if we go into or edit our post, you see here I'm in blog posts, you can see it sent everything over. And of course you can edit everything just like you would normally in Shopify. Now let's go back over to our dashboard and I'll show you how to set up an automation. So in the left-hand side here, if you go to Content Planner and then click on Automations, you'll see a new automation flow. And if you do a lot of YouTube, you can set up a YouTube automation. But for this video, we're going to set up a keyword automation. And here you can put the domain name for your site. I'm just going to put a placeholder here since my store actually isn't live. We have more options here like using SEO reports, which we recommend turning on. So I'm going to hit next here and you're going to pick your cadence. So if you only want posts on Monday, you can easily do that here. Additionally, you have to pick your integration. So you can see here, Shopify is already selected. And like we did earlier, I picked publish instantly. So you can see here, it's going to publish it live. And we hit create automation. And just like that, you can see our calendar. It's going to fill every Monday and go out there and come up with topics for your blog and automatically figure out what to post. And if you're managing social, you can even go over here and click connect social to hook up your social accounts and they'll automatically post those articles that you create. Now, there's one other cool thing you can do with the Shopify integration and RightBlogger, and that is Site Agent. So if you go over here to Agent, you can see here, you can hit Run My First Audit. And basically what Site Agent does is every couple of days, it goes through your site and looks at Google Search Console, figures out posts that need to be tuned up. If you have a new post, it'll add internal links and do all kinds of fact checking and things like that. And it's all controlled by you via an email. It'll tell you what it wants to do and you can accept or deny. Or you can go over here and hit smart mode and it'll automatically apply smaller changes that it thinks are safe to apply. So definitely check that out if you're setting up your site fully inside of here. And that's it. We've set up our Shopify store blog in RightBlogger. I hope you enjoyed the video and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.